Hi everyone, today I'm going to guide you through the process of downloading HP Reveal on the iPhone so you can use the augmented reality features in IKWYR by IKWYR. First up, let's open the App Store, which is the little blue square with the white A. Type in HP Reveal and go ahead and tap on download. Next up, let's go over to Google and type in http://AURAS.ma/s/6 lowercase l uppercase TKG and go ahead and hit enter or go. This will bring you to the HP Reveal site where you can scroll down a little. You'll see Topology Text Private Auras and just click on follow. Once you've clicked on that, tap the blue bar that says open in app to follow. The answer to that little pop-up was no, you don't have to create an account. You can skip that process, although it is quite easy and pain-free to create an account. Okay, go ahead and tap on open for open in HP Reveal and click allow. Now here, I've already created an account, but you don't have to. Just go up to the top right-hand corner and click skip, which is actually what I've done for this login. Here we go. Now, it's loading up the auras here, but if you tap on the square in the blue circle, that will take you to your camera. Now, you will have to allow access to your camera for this function to work. Here we go. Now we open up the book and you simply hold the camera over a picture. And voila, you have a magical moving picture, which is pretty awesome. And this works for every picture inside the book. So I'm just going to flick through a few pages now to get you to another one. Just click to dismiss on that notification there. Once you sign in, it won't give you all of these notifications, but because I've skipped the process, it's coming up with a few little pop-ups. Here's another one. I like to turn the camera on its side so that I can get the full screen image through my phone. And there you have it. That's the guided walkthrough for downloading HP Reveal for IKWYR by IKWYR. Thanks for listening. Enjoy.